In this video, I'll guide you through how you can block Instagram from Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To block Instagram from Google Chrome browser, at the beginning you need to add a Google Chrome extension on your browser. First, take a new tab and search for undistracted Chrome extension. Now open the first one and click on Add to Chrome. Then this can pop will appear on your screen and click on Add Extension. Then the extension will be added on your browser. Then click on the extension icon and pin undistracted extension. Now click on it, find Instagram and click on Allow Instagram Access and click on Allow. Again click on the extension and click on Allow Skipping Access. Now you need to enable this toggle, block Instagram. Now open Instagram on a browser. Then you will see the Instagram will be blocked. By following this tutorial, you can easily block Instagram from Google Chrome browser.